vie, to contend. Vigilance, alert and intent mental watchfulness and guarding against danger. Vigilant, being on the alert to discover and ward off danger or ensure safety. Vignette, a picture having a background or that is shaded off gradually. Vincible, conquerable. Vindicate, to prove true, right, or real. Vindicatory, punitive. Vindicative, revengeful. Vinery, a greenhouse for grapes. Viol, a stringed instrument of the violin class. Viola, a musical instrument somewhat larger than a violin. Violator, one who transgresses. Violation, infringement. Violoncello, a stringed instrument held between the player's knees. Virago, a bold, impudent, turbulent woman. Virile, masculine. Virtue, rare, curious, or beautiful quality. Virtual, being in essence or effect, but not in form or appearance. Virtuoso, a master in the technique of some particular fine art. Virulence, extreme poisonousness. Virulent, exceedingly noxious or deleterious. Visage, the face, countenance, or look of a person. Viscount, in England a title of nobility ranking fourth in the order of British peerage. Vista, a view or prospect. Visual, perceptible by sight. Visualize, to give pictorial vividness to a mental representation. Vitality, the state or quality of being necessary to existence or continuance. Vitalize, to endow with life or energy. Vitiate, to contaminate. Vituperable, deserving of censure. Vivacity, liveliness. Vivify, to endue with life. Vivisection, the dissection of a living animal. Vocable, a word, especially one regarded in relation merely to its qualities of sound. Vocative, of or pertaining to the act of calling. Vociferance, the quality of making a clamor. Vociferate, to utter with a loud and vehement voice. Vociferous, making a loud outcry. Vogue, the prevalent way or fashion. Volant, flying or able to fly. Volatile, changeable. Volition, an act or exercise of will. Volitive, exercising the will. Voluble, having great fluency in speaking. Voluptuous, having fullness of beautiful form, as a woman, with or without sensuous or sensual quality. Voracious, eating with greediness or in very large quantities. Vortex, a mass of rotating or whirling fluid, especially when sucked spirally toward the center. Votary, consecrated by a vow or promise. Votive, dedicated by a vow. Vulgarity, lack of refinement in conduct or speech. Vulnerable, capable of receiving injuries. Waif, a homeless, neglected wanderer. Waistcoat, a vest. Waive, to relinquish, especially temporarily, as a right or claim. Wampum, beads strung on threads, formerly used among the American Indians as currency. Wane, to diminish in size and brilliancy. Wantonness, recklessness. Warlike, belligerent. Wavelet, a ripple. Weak-kneed, without resolute purpose or energy. Wheel, well-being. Wean, to transfer the young from dependence on mother's milk to another form of nourishment. Wearisome, fatiguing. Wee, very small. Well-bred, of good ancestry. Well-doer, a performer of moral and social duties. Well-to-do, in prosperous circumstances. Whereabouts, the place in or near which a person or thing is. Whereupon, after which. Wherever, in or at whatever place. Wherewith, the necessary means or resources. Whet, to make more keen or eager. Whimsical, capricious. Whine, to utter with complaining tone. Wholly, completely. Wield, to use, control, or manage as a weapon or instrument, especially with full command. Wile, an act or a means of cunning deception. Winsome, attractive. Wintry, lacking warmth of manner. Wiry, thin but tough and sinewy. Witchcraft, sorcery. Witless, foolish, indiscreet, or silly. Witling, a person who has little understanding. Witticism, a witty, brilliant, or original saying or sentiment. Wittingly, with knowledge and by design. Wizen, to become or cause to become withered or dry. Wizen-faced, having a shriveled face. Working man, one who earns his bread by manual labor. Workmanlike, like or befitting a skilled workman. Workmanship, the art or skill of a workman. Wrangle, to maintain by noisy argument or dispute. Wreak, to inflict as a revenge or punishment. Wrest, to pull or force away by or as by violent twisting or wringing. Wretchedness, extreme misery or unhappiness. Writhe, to twist the body, face, or limbs, or as in pain or distress. Writing, the act or art of tracing or inscribing on a surface letters or ideographs. Wry, deviating from that which is proper or right. Yearling, a young animal past its first year and not yet 2 years old. Zealot, one who espouses a cause or pursues an object in an immoderately partisan manner. Zeitgeist, the intellectual and moral tendencies that characterize any age or epoch. Zenith, the culminating point of prosperity, influence, or greatness. Zephyr, any soft, gentle wind. Zodiac, an imaginary belt encircling the heavens within which are the larger planets.